Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate Google Gemini API key for your application or for your automation tool or for coding project, or if you want to create chatbot, something like that. So no confusing step, just a simple beginner friendly guide I'm going to show you. By the end of this video, you will have your own Gemini key ready to use with your Python, JavaScript or AI tools. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and here simply search for AI Studio. And now here you can see it's showing Google AI Studio. This is official website. You need to simply click on this link. So guys, once you are inside Google AI Studio, here you need to sign in. Without that, you won't be able to get the API key. So I have already signed in. Now at the left side, you can see we have option get API key. Simply click on this. And now here you can generate API key. So at the top, you can see here create API key option is there. So I'm going to click on this create API key. Now you need to give name to your API key. So I'm just giving name as my app. And then here we have option choose an imported project. So we have import the project or create the project. So I'm going to click on create project button. And here then you need to provide your project name. So I'm just giving project name as chat app. Okay. And I'm clicking on create project. So guys, you can see new project is created. I need to simply click on this create key button. So it is going to create key, and very important guys, do not share your API key publicly because anyone can use this and your quota. Very important thing guys, do not share your API key publicly with anyone. Anyone who is having your API key can use your API quota because there is limit. Okay. So here simply I'm going to copy this API key. So this copy option I'm going to click and I'm going to use this in my Python project or anywhere. So you can click on this or you can click on copy key button. Even you have option for deleting key. So I'm creating this. So I'm going to simply click on this copy key option. So my key is created. Now I can use this key in my project. So guys, this way we can create API key using Google Gemini. Guys, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use this API key in your VS Code. So that's all guys, I conclude my video. I hope you really enjoyed this video and learned something useful from it. If you did, make sure you like the video and share with your friend. It really supports the channel. And if you have any question or doubt or query or suggestion, you can just drop them in comment. I read all my comment and I love connecting with you guys. And if you are new to my channel guys, you are welcome to my family. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning guys.